Black girls need summer hacks too. But listen, if you're not a melanated queen, don't click off the video just yet because I'm pretty sure some of these hacks can also help you out this summer. That's right. What's up everybody, it's your girl Tyra and I'm coming back at you again with another video, but your girl is super excited about today because I am debuting a new type of content on my channel that I have been dying to do for about 3 freaking years now. Today we talking all things summer hacks. So if you find something in this video that you love or that you already do, let me know in the comments. If I forgot something or I didn't name something that you like to do for your summer hacks, let me know in the comments as well, and let me know if you enjoyed this video. So summer hacks for black girls, let's get to it. Oh my gosh, I am so glad that it's summer and these men are looking fine. Yes, indeed. Girl, you are glowing. I'm not pregnant. Okay, I was talking about all this shimmery stuff. Oh, it's Body Lava from Fenty. And that's PH for trademark purposes. Girl, and that looks good, but I ain't got money like that, and I know that cost you a grill. Oh no, it's fine, mine's fine. Oh. Yeah. Bright like a diamond. Is that the Body Lava? No, girl. I made my own. Girl, I took some of that tea micro cup. I have no idea how to pick the perfect watermelon.
You need some help. Picking the wrong watermelon could be tragic for a cookout.
I know that. Can you help me?
No, sorry. I can't do that. I'm a scientist who studied peaches, not watermelon. I had years of school before I'm that advanced.
Hello? Hey girl, I'm trying to pick a perfect watermelon for the cookout. Can you help me?
Yeah, girl, I got you. So first what you're gonna do is you're gonna find the most round melons. Those are typically female, so they're gonna be sweeter. Then you're gonna look for the gold or orange field spots. The field spot is where it rested on the ground. The darker it is, the longer it's been ripening in the sun. Also, look for pollination spots because bees and other insects are highly attracted to the sweeter melon. Oh yeah, and the whiter the webbing, the sweeter the melon. Oh, and most importantly, make sure you knock on it. If it sounds hollow, that's the one you want. If it sounds dull, girl, don't get it.
How do you know all of that?
I'm black. Duh. Girl.
Then what am I? Webby. No alcohol! I got this. Just trust me. I got this. Hey y'all, I brought the watermelons! Girl, this is my jam! Girl, I'm so freaking tired.
Yeah, you was kicking on the dance floor.
Right? Woo. Oh my gosh, I know I did not sweat out my freaking edges. Girl, chill.
Got you. I'd never leave the house without it, girl.
What? Yes. Oh, thank you so much. I really needed that.
Girl, anytime. I'm telling you.
And her edges look good too.
That's just Bartholomew. He a peach scientist, girl.
Okay, so if we turn to page 4, it states that in order for us to move forward with the project, we must provide substantial collateral. Did you not get enough sleep?
No, my bonnet kept falling off last night.
Girl, have you not heard of the bobby pin trick?
Bobby who?
It's simple. After you twist your hair, just put on your bonnet, put bobby pins around your edges, and it isn't going anywhere.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna try that tonight.
Ow! Hey!
No. You need to use this. I think I want to dye my hair blonde.
No. Girl, the last time I did that, I lost all my edges.
I think I can find a safer way.
Tried to warn her. The edge is gonna be gone.
So, what do you think?
Girl, you look so good!
Damn, them edges is laid too.
Where do you keep coming from? Welcome to Starbucks. What can I get for you today?
Yes, can I please get a Trenta size dragon fruit drink with no ice and 3 grande cups of ice?
Okay, so I have a Train to Dragon drink with no ice and 3 grande cups of ice. Will that be all for you?
Yeah, that's all. Thank you so much.
Dang! I thought you was treating. I don't want a cup of ice.
Chill. I got you. Thank you so much.
So you gonna drink all that by yourself?
No, I'm not gonna drink all of this by myself. Here. Open it up.
Okay, that's awesome.
Hold that one.
This is great. Why didn't I think of this?
I don't know. And now we even have a third drink. Cheers.
Oh,
that's really good.
That's really good, actually.
That's really freaking good.
Okay, I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the motherfucker.
Don't do that.
And if I did, that's my business. I'm so bored though.
I have an idea. So I have this jar of activities. Whatever you pull, that's what we're gonna do.
Go camping?
It says go camping.
With lions and tigers and bears?
More like woods, dirt, and bugs.
Okay, I'm down. Do you think there's any hacks we can do for camping? Well, that's all I have for you, you guys. Here are my friends, Demetrius and Raven. You can follow them on Instagram, and you can also subscribe to Raven's channel. All of their links are in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching.
And make sure you give it a like.
Comment and subscribe.
And I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.